genuinely what some party ni mu ɛna yɛbɛka sɛ nneɛma asesa kakra from what the experience are working baabi a wote ɛne deɛ wohwɛ within the party NPP amanfoɔ bi project sɛ party na hwɛ yi a ɛnya ahoɔden nyina ne nan so bio.
Oh, I'm saying in one of your sister stations, see American say, "Ya hear from by Besama a more teacher." I'm saying the way any pebby a year party, and yes, I was saying maybe because we are a per se way in a obana bibiti santi, and nunti nama no my caution, but a party should always know say. So one year a double choir. I will say
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Yes, so now into a moment in
here. Enti me question that projection and go for ye. Uno mo ya drink say party no baby a namono enye.
Oh, I've said it. Me say enye, especially because I won't say CBB the. What can I say?
Top, bottom, top approach.
Oh, it is not the best at all. It's not the best at all. I will say, especially a court election.
87.9 Kumasi.
Say, in ye who say, hey, Ghana for any anye ye home. And what is most important is say, hey, Embrani Mamma say, Adia na. Ghana for any new home. Yenina, I bet Junior Hesse say ye we are ye we are and yet. So, then Tian Kai Humum, Tia Kai Hubuma. Then at the end of the day, no, near whom Sampa, a Yenisi and I. And no answer crying who should become the leader. Because fortunately, Crampono, the party has said, the chairman is now the leader of the party. And the chairman is leader of the party there. Then the chairman must be in place. And so, Grana, Yako can say, Yakope will be a flag bearer.